Absolutely incredible. Such a good rib. What's going on, everybody? Chef Joe Friday here. Today we're gonna smoke some back ribs with this Blues Hog Cajun style seasoning. I'm super excited. Let's get to it. It's gonna be tasty, delicious, and all that good stuff. Okay, first what you wanna do is you can actually pull the skin off back here. What we used to do at Texas Roadhouse though, we used to score them like this. So, all the way down. Well, I guess they still do this method at Texas Roadhouse, but yeah, this is kind of how you do it. A nice score. Get this one in frame for you. So you just want to go down the back like that. As you can see, there's nice scores down there like that. Okay, now you want to hit them with some mustard. Just rub this in there. Just gonna rub that in there. This is just a nice binder. And we're gonna toss these, we're gonna season them and toss them directly on the grill. This is the 3-2-1 method. And we'll talk about that along the way. So let's get these seasoned. Toss these off. So this is going to bind really well with that mustard. Okay, nice flip. I season the backside too. You want to coat these ribs really nice. There we go. Now it's time to toss them on the grill. Okay, so we got the smoker up to 200 to 225. Gonna let that run with the ribs for the first 2 hours. Not gonna touch them. In between that, I'll spray it with some apple cider vinegar to keep that going, keep the moisture circulating. And also in the bottom of the smoker, I have a nice pan of water. So that's gonna keep moisture in the smoker. So until then, I'll be right back. Peace. Okay, everybody, now it's time to wrap the ribs. back. It's been such a long time. I'm going on 4 hours. Got the hat on right now. Different hat, obviously. And time to put this on. But if you ever been to Sam Jones Barbecue, you know what's up. Okay, let's get the ribs. Growing up in North Carolina, we've had ribs in all different types of ways. Pulled pork, anything, whole hog basically. And this Blues Hog barbecue sauce is lovely. I had to show you twice. That's so good. So right here, I'm just gonna baste the ribs with this barbecue sauce, rub it in, and then place it back on the grill and let that smoke for another hour. Maximum flavor that way. So. Okay, folks, there you have it. The beautiful candy red back ribs. Let's get in there for a taste. Mmm. 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 There you have it. There you have it. So incredible. Such an amazing rib. I got plenty left to eat. You can see that. Beautiful. Oh man. All right. Until the next time. I'm just gonna eat this. Peace.